Well, hello, Summer Bridge students. Welcome to day 3. Today, we're going to perform the blobs in a bottle experiment. As always, we want to make sure that we have our safety goggles on. And today, we're just working with some chemicals that are not going to harm us, but usually you want to have some type of covering on your clothes so your clothes don't get damaged. I have 3 assistants with me today. I have my film man, Jason. He's filming this, so you can't see him on camera. And then I have my son, Marcus. He is helping us out. And then I have Jonathan. He is helping us out. So notice we all either have safety goggles on or some type of protective eyewear. So the ingredients that you need today are vegetable oil, okay? You'll need some effervescent tablets, better known as Alka-Seltzer. You'll need a funnel, okay? You'll need food coloring. We're gonna use green today. And you will need either a 1 liter or a 2 liter bottle. It really doesn't matter for this. And then inside this container, or inside this cup, you're gonna need 3/4 cup of water. And we're not talking about the cup we drink out of. We're talking about a measuring cup. So this is 1 cup. This is 1 measuring cup, and this is filled up 3/4 of the way with water. So the first thing we're going to do is we're gonna go ahead and take that water and pour it into the bottle using the funnel. So I'm gonna put this funnel here, and I'm gonna get my assistant Marcus to pour the water into this funnel. Very carefully. Thank you, sir. So he has poured the water into the bottle. There's about, again, that's 3/4 cup of water. So now I'm gonna have my assistant Marcus hold the bottle in the funnel while I pour the vegetable oil in. Okay, just like that. All right. And then you'll notice as that vegetable oil settles, and I'll give it a minute to settle there, you can see the vegetable oil is right here on top of the water. And that is because the vegetable oil is lighter than the water. We call that less dense. That means it's not as heavy as the water is. The vegetable oil is less dense than the water. So therefore, it sits on top of the water. And then, like I said before, we're going to use some food coloring, okay? But I want to explain what's going to happen. We're going to drop the food coloring in, and the reason why we're dropping the food coloring is so you can see the gas escape. And the gas, remember yesterday we said that carbon dioxide is a gas, and when I finally drop these effervescent or Alka-Seltzer tablets into the bottle or into the water, it's going to dissolve into the water. Once it dissolves into the water, it's going to create that gas called carbon dioxide. And remember, gas will always try to escape the container. When it does that, it's going to take some of the food coloring with it. It's also going to take some of the vegetable oil with it. Now, the vegetable oil is lighter than the water, but it is not light enough to escape out of the water. The water is light, but it cannot escape out of the bottle. Okay? The only thing that will escape is the carbon dioxide or the gas bubbles. So, Jonathan, what color are we using today? What color is that? Green. So we're going to drop 10 green drops into the bottle. And you guys count as I drop. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, so that's 10 green drops. Now here comes the fun. I'm going to take these these effervescent tablets, okay, and they are going to dissolve into the water, causing that gas called carbon dioxide. Again, once that gas escapes, it's going to take some of that food coloring with it, along with the vegetable oil and the water, but they can't shoot out of the bottle, so you'll see them drop back down to the bottom. And here we go. So I have dropped the tablets in there. You could see that those little bubbles, which is carbon dioxide, how they float to the top and out somewhere into space. And you can see that the food coloring and the water, as well as the vegetable oil, they go up and then they come back down, but the gas keeps escaping. So we can just watch that for a minute. You see the gas escaping, and then you see the food coloring and the water and the vegetable oil settling back to the bottom. And my friends, there you have it. That is Blobs in a bottle. See you next time.